Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is still Katra and I'm not going to play a game right now and I'm just here to make excuses. I haven't been uploading much lately and these are the reasons why. I know I often tell people that I hate working on mobile devices, but turns out with the right kind of mobile device I probably would enjoy it. And if you can see the results of all that work, I drew this all using a Galaxy Note 2 and it's not exactly very polished, especially positive P over here, but if you guys want a download link to all those images, please check out the description box below. Bye now!